Hi, my name is Bill Marshall. I'm with Blair Martin, and I want to give you a quick overview on the Logix MD. I am the sales engineer for Los Angeles and Ventura counties. Let's take a look at how the Logix series of positioners can help us control your control valve. Here's a look at the interface with the faceplate off, and taking a closer look, we see that they have a series of dip switches that gives us different options for your control valve. Once you know your system and how you want to set it up, this is a very fast way of setting up your positioners and only takes a few moments. There's a gain selector switch that allows us to speed up and slow down your control valve. We have a digital hand wheel that is a set of jog buttons, and we have a quick cal button. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a moment. And we have a series of LED blinking lights, a red, yellow, green, that give us a blink code that tells us what's going on with the positioner and control valve. The thing that we really want to realize with this unit is that it gives us a ton of local control. We have the ability to quick cal and move the valve open and close with these jog buttons. Now, a little bit more on these blink codes. With the blink codes, we can see that if we are walking by the unit and we see through the window, as you might have seen in the first slide, that there were these three lights that you can see through it. And if we see that green, 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 we're in normal operation and everything is running well. There is the ability for this thing, if you get the right options, that you can see that there's a fault where there's something interfering with the plug. There's many different options. One of them might be even that your packing is getting loose, which means it's wearing out and needs to be tightened. So these blink codes give us a local indication and can give us preemptive time to repair or fix the unit. Now, more about the quick cal and tuning. If we hit that quick cal button, we can have it set up in two different ways. One way is if we have it in auto, and the other is in jog, and that is selectable on those dip switch at the very bottom. Now, if you want to do it in the auto, we can have the unit automatically go to the very top of the stroke, and here it's showing a quick arrow at the top of the stroke, 100% open, and when we do that, we'll see a series of blink codes: yellow, red, green, green, and that means the stroke cal is in progress. Now, if we see the yellow, red, yellow, green, it means that the setting IL offset while calibrating. Now, a little bit about that. That means it's putting the stroke at about 50% to control the inner loop, and it will remain there for about 5 seconds, and then at the very end we'll see a green, 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 which is normal operation, everything's good, and you're complete. Now, the cool thing is that it only took about 10 seconds, and this can significantly benefit you at 2 a.m. in bad weather. This unit, if you want to use it, it can be used on any control valve, any actuator, not a problem. Now, if we are in the jog calibration, say you don't want it to move 100% open, but you want it to go 75% open for your full stroke at the, for example, 20 milliamp position, you can use the jog buttons to open the valve to that position, and it will give us that as our 100% position. So a little bit more about this. We've got those dip switches, the gain control for speed of opening, closing. We've got jog buttons for the digital hand wheel. We have the quick cal button, 10 seconds to calibrate. We've got the local indication with the red, yellow, greens. If you need this for foundation field bus, there is that option. There's also heart, and we can throw out there the 4 to 20 signal. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to help you out. And for more information, please go to our website, blairmartin.com. Thank you.